Yeah.
Avery, how excited are you to build your new Little Mermaid set?
It's so gonna be awesome.
It's so going to be awesome. Okay, all right, great. Well, let's build this thing, okay? Are you ready?
Yep.
All right, honey, let's dive in. All right, now we're 2 bags into your brand new set, Avery. Do you like it so far?
Yep.
Okay, can you tell us something that you like about the set?
I don't like. I very love playing with my new mermaid Legos because we're so very kind, and I love them so much.
Okay, all right, I guess that's about the best answers we're going to get. All right, honey. All right, well, let's keep going, okay?
Okay.
All right. Well, take a look at this impressive display. This is definitely a premium Lego set. I mean, from top to bottom, start to finish, this was an awesome build. All the way from the Lego minifigures to the actual build itself, with it being so unique and detailed. I mean, the whole concept of this happens inside of a clamshell, which is kind of ironic. I mean, that was a interesting thing to build within itself, with all the different angles and all the pieces that went into it. But aside from that, taking a look at the detail on this, looking at the bubbles that are all floating all over the place with all the see-through pieces that you have, I thought that was a nice, nifty little addition here. But really, what's really cool is how segmented the entire clamshell is, with everyone's different areas and the different, I guess, scenes that they want to capture within this. You've got Ursula's scene here. It's all dark, and they've got gray pieces and brown sandy pieces, and it really looks like a lair. It looks spooky. It looks like that's where a villain will reside. And then you've got the other side here with all of these colors, and you got coral all over the place, and fish, and Ariel's little lair or place where she would go, with all her secret things, with all her dingle hoppers and all the other human elements that will fall from ships and whatnot. It's so much detail on this. And then we take a look at the top, where you have King Triton's throne room. You've got him and all of his daughters there, and once again an array of different colors and bubbles and clear pieces to show or make it look like fish are swimming around, and little mermaids are swimming around with bubbles and everything. I just We loved it every step of the way. Yeah, my daughter and my youngest son was helping me out, and they were just speaking about like how cool it looked, as we put each different section together, and we placed it together within the clamshell itself. So great build, great detail. I don't think anything else could have been done to make this thing better, outside of maybe giving it a back, so that it wouldn't look like an unfinished piece if you turned it around or whatnot. But I know that would have more than likely drove the price up. But I think it still would have went well with this being the type of Lego set it was. With, I mean, this being really a premium, Disney Lego set. I know that this is geared towards adults or whatnot, but my children play with it. But I mean, it looks great on the shelf and everything. There's nothing else really that can be done to this, as far as the front side is concerned. But aside from that, the Little Mermaid Royal Clamshell, I give it, two thumbs up. I definitely think this thing is worth it. And if you haven't picked it up as of yet, and you're a Lego or a Disney fan, it's worth the build, and it's worth the money, and it's worth the time. But hey, thanks for spending time with us here at Smith Bricks, and come on and visit us again and keep on building. Appreciate your time.